The internet is amazing, but it is really bad for live workflows.
Yeah.
And so we've known that for many, many years.
It used to just be like, oh, we got a tech error, stop, do it again. Oh, can you do it again? Sorry, there was some dropout in your voice. And so now it's basically, it's all fixed by the time you can even say that and you press play on it. It's like, wait, did I hear it? Did I imagine it? And it's already fixed. So it's not there.
It really allows the actor to totally just focus on their performance, and a director to just also focus on what is happening instead of worrying about the technical aspects.
Yeah.
So making that overall transparent. As you said, it means sessions are shorter,
Yeah.
or they can be just as long and you've got more time to be creative.
Yes, absolutely.
Which is what we want.
No one wants to do the same thing over and over again because of a glitch.
Yeah.